It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a hair tutorial for you guys today, but this is not your usual hair tutorial, it's a hair hack. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make your ponytail look fuller. That's it. It's like so simple, and all you need is a single track of hair extensions. That's all you need. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so start with your hair down, pull it all forward, and back here, the crown of your head, just draw a circle with your fingers and grab that hair right there. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a circle. And you just want to secure that in place with a ponytail holder. You know, if I was a good YouTuber and I was prepared, I wouldn't look like Cousin It right now while I was trying to get this out. I would have had it out already, sorry. Okay. So I'm using the tiny little elastic kind because it's just a small ponytail right here. And you want it to be wherever you want your ponytail to sit. So if you want your ponytail to sit high, set it further. And if you want it to sit back, then have it sit further back. That's it. Now that you look like Pebbles, now pull it up. I'm going to pull mine forward a little bit because I like my ponytail pretty high. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure it's in the center of your head. And then all you do is you want to take your hair extensions, your one track, have it open, and insert it at the base of the ponytail and clip down. And work your way around with your ponytail, with your track, because it's just going to add some volume, some extra hair. So there, it's all in. Then I'm going to gather all my hair on the top of my head. And if you want to, you can add an additional track in there. It's gonna make your base look chunkier though, so you know, you kind of have to play around with it to see what you want. I found that just one track does exactly what I want it to. And I just like to give a shout out real quickly to my postpartum baby hairs. They're looking real good today, real good. Okay, I've got my ponytail in place, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of body, but honestly, my hair already looks way thicker than it normally does just because of that one track. And you can't see it at all because your hair covers it. So I'm adding just a tiny bit of body with some back combing, teasing, ratting, whatever you want to call it. Not a bunch, just a little bit. And I like to do it right at the base of my ponytail there. And then I take a section of hair and cover my ponytail holder. So the way that I secure this, I have found that when you crisscross your bobby pins, it just doesn't stick. So I take a bobby pin right there and twist it around a couple times and then pin it in underneath the ponytail. And usually that stays put all night long. And then if I want to add extra volume, then I'll use some product. This has been my go-to lately. It's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Bodybuilder. I used this in another video, which I'm not sure which one you guys will see first, if it'll be that video or this video, but you can actually turn the nozzle for more body or less body. And it's a great product for adding some va-va-voom to your hair. And it smells good too. All right, guys, that is what it looks like. So let me turn to the side. It has a lot more body. It's just thicker altogether than it would be without that extra track of hair. And it just has a nice little kick. One of these days, these are gonna grow out and I'm not gonna look like, really? What do you do with that? They're not as bad on this side as they are this side. I literally would have to gel those back. It's so annoying. But anyways, I love doing this hack to get a thicker ponytail. I feel like it's just a no-brainer. Why not share it with you guys? It's kind of like that Ariana Grande ponytail. Matt just reminded me. So yeah, hope you like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, what do you want to see from me next? Do you want to see more hair, more makeup, lifestyle? You know, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so you can be the first to know when a new video goes live. And don't forget to visit me also on my blog, so many don't forgets, on my blog, AngelaLanter.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you all so much. Au revoir.